Hello and welcome to the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Inner Joy Getaways, amazing shipping container cabins in Ontario, Canada. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern container cabins. Welcome back. Inner Joy Getaways comprises of 4 amazing cabins built using shipping containers overlooking onto the Grand River in Ontario, Canada. The 4 individual shipping containers are completely transformed into luxurious all-season private suites. Each cabin is made from a single 40-foot high cube shipping container. Spaced out by 10 feet apart, each suite has a private fence and gardens, creating a serene space for 2. Each cabin is named in honor of the towns that surround the property. The suites are named Elora, Fergus, St. Jacobs, and Elmira. Each suite has a tastefully decorated living space. The spacious framed interior space has 8-foot ceilings and plenty of natural light. The walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look brighter, creating an illusion of a big indoor space. The Elora suite has been beautifully decorated into a luxurious and chic style that reflects the town. It incorporates the artistic vibe of the village with artsy decor, contemporary fixtures, and modern edges. It is fitted with a comfortable bed with a beautiful stone headboard, an equipped kitchenette with a live edge bar for dining. There is a lounge area with cozy seats in soft neutral colors. In addition, there is a bathroom with everything you need, including a fully tiled walk-in shower. Walking into the Fergus suite is like walking into a lovely inn in Scotland. It is an Outlander dream suite with a cozy bed with an oversized velvet headboard and tartan touches. It has a well-equipped kitchenette with a live edge bar for dining, a lounge area with comfy seats for relaxation, a TV for your entertainment, and a bathroom with a fully tiled walk-in shower. The St. Jacobs suite will take you back to a quieter time. Warm tones of rich wood and black iron create a soothing ambience that is perfect for some rest and relaxation. The room features a queen bed, a fully equipped kitchenette, a warm lounge area with a TV, plus a bathroom with everything you need, including a fully tiled walk-in shower. The Elmira suite will take you to a sweet and simple place. The inspiration for the suite name comes from Mennonite fabrics with floral and nature patterns finished with elements of brass accents. The suite features an inviting bed with a premium sleep mattress system and memory foam pillows, a kitchenette fully equipped with necessary appliances, a lounge area with comfortable seats, and a TV for your entertainment. The space also has a bathroom with everything you need, including a fully tiled walk-in shower. A large sliding glass door in each suite leads onto a concrete patio that runs the entire length of the shipping container. It features a barbecue, an outdoor dining area, and a Sundance hot tub for 2 to help you soak away your stress as you get into the holiday mode. During the day, you can take advantage of the fly fishing location, a golf putting green, a rear grass tennis court, a giant chess, and so much more outdoor activities. There is plenty of sitting areas on the property grounds, including a silo turned into a gazebo overlooking the 7.4 acres of property. The grooves of the raw shipping containers are visible on all the exterior of the shipping container cabins, which brings out the industrial language of the design. We love the amazing interiors of these shipping container cabins. Which part of this establishment appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Feel free to check out this amazing establishment using the link in the description below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.